Hello everyone, I'm Srivamsi, Technical Director from Jayaarka Studios. This is an overview of what we can do with Powerline. Let's get started. Powerline is the most packed add-on for Blender. If it's not already, it will be soon. It is a pipeline add-on rather than focusing on specific tasks. It addresses a lot of areas in its production. Here's what we have so far. File Manager. We can divide we can organize files using file manager. It is very user friendly. You can segregate into assets, sequences. You can also create any other folder if we want. The UI is very intuitive. You can understand easily what's happening here. So control rig, and each saved file you can get a preview of what's in the file, and you can also add manual comment so that it will be easy to track what the file contains. You can also update thumbnails from here, which is shown in this video. And within Powerline, there is also another feature for auto updates. See, when we are working in a production environment, there can be different uh, departments working on different aspects of same file. For example, in this file, the model is not yet ready. Let's say the model is not yet ready. Let me open the file sequence. So this is the file. Scene 2 shot 1 proxy. Here the assets are okay. There are two variations of the same asset. One is proxy, which is made, let's discuss about time frame. So for this to complete, let's say for the character to complete, approximation is 3 days. On the first day, within 1 hour, we can complete this asset, this proxy asset, and within another hour, we can get a rig, and within this first day of the production, we can start animating. Let's say this is the animation we have. And after a few days, uh, there has been a model update. Let's say within few days, all the models are updated with the final versions. And we click update render, and then we get the versions, latest files here. Also, there is an auto update feature for if we save it with it. Um, Whenever you open this file, the latest versions of the file releases will get updated in this file. Okay, that's about auto update in file manager. And let's go to rig. Let's talk about connection manager here. This is a very interesting tool. You can transfer animations with it. Also, you can use it in controlling deform rigs. Let me show you in this file. Here we are creating a control rig for MetaHuman. I will keep this video link in the description. You can go through it. This is one of the features. You can control things with connection manager. Also, you can transfer animations with connection manager. Here we are transferring cascader animation. Let's clear rotation to control rig. Just to more now. Let me show you how it is. So this is the cascader animation. And after retarget, this is what we have in Blender. So the retarget, we can also do that with connection manager. You can also create control rigs for existing deform skeleton with connection manager. I will add go through the specific topics for clear details. And the next one is action coding system, ACS. This is also a different approach where you can program, like where you can feed actions to specific controls. And it is not only uh, constrained to actions, you can also drive shape keys with it, giving a maximum freedom of what we can achieve. Let me show you here. Here the here we are driving already rigged rain model. This is already rigged, and now we are attaching a MetaHuman drivers rig to drive this existing rig using action coding system. Uh, I will show you the method exact process in another video. This way we can use Unreal data. For example, there is a audio to facial solution. We can get the data, transfer to Blender here, and using this rig, you can using this rig and action coding system from Powerline, you can transfer that to any uh, any rigged model. Okay, that is about action coding system. And this is currently in construction. There's nothing to show right now. And there is automation. This is one of the most underrated feature we have in Powerline. Uh, you can just enter text here and you can write Python scripts. I also provided some of the scripts so you can directly use them. And when you click begin, it will do the certain things and give you the output. It is kind of an automated feature. Let me show you in the video. Here the task is for the I am opening with a blank screen. Here I am seeing what are the assets I am required, and here I am entering the necessary steps, and the target is to open certain assets and create a viewport render with the different variations. For example, solid one variation, wireframe another variation, and with materials another variation. I have to take three viewport renders, and I am doing with the help of automated feature here. I am setting up things here, and finally I am rendering using this begin button. In the same way, I can add multiple assets for similar view task. Here I am rendering three renders for two objects. That is in total six videos in one click of a button. Let me show you here.
In the current state, we just finished the
So this is
renders. Let's
after
just check.
finishing the task. Now we are in. So here, this is the latest
So
version I
the
created of the
current,
task for
this
Jayaarka.
is the version 3.
So we got four videos:
This is the
no
latest
wire,
one we just
wire,
did while we are
solid,
filming,
material,
recording the screen. This is crossbar
solid
solid
wire,
wire
solid
with
plus wire.
wire, and this
This is
one solid
just
without
solid,
wire,
no wire.
and
We
this
got
one with
four different
material
variations
view
of the
and wire,
material plus wire, and
and
last
this
one
one
must be just material.
without wire.
Okay, four variations of
Same thing with Matilda
videos for different assets, two assets.
render. Material without wireframe,
So
with
far, we have
wireframe.
these kind of things with just one pipeline add-on Powerline. Uh, I will also provide more workflows, and they will be in the document here. Let me open the document. So this is the document. So this is the document. You can go through each of the topics in detail. The tools are the systems we have in Powerline, and workflows are different type of concepts you can do with the current tools we have. Here, assembling character, control rig for metahuman. You can use these tools and follow these workflows to get your desired output. Okay, we will be updating different types of workflows. For now, we have Unreal to Blender and Cascade workflow, and later we will be creating stylized character from, let's say, I will provide the details right here, and more workflows will be added here. So that's it, guys. Please check out Powerline. This, if this is not the most packed add-on right now, it will be soon. Thank you. Please check out Powerline.